everyone, welcome to Faewood Mead, or welcome back to Faewood Mead. Today we are tasting the Blackberry Lavender Vanilla. This video, it's been a long time coming. I have tasted this mead and it is very, very lavender. Should not have used anywhere near as much as I did. This was bottled in November. We're so close to being a year at this point that I don't think I'm gonna film like a year tasting. This is the 3-month and the year tasting bottled up into one. Again, it is super, super lavendery, but because it's been so long, you know, we'll see overall how this mead has turned out. There's a little bit of stuff at the bottom of the bottle, but the color is super pretty. This is beautiful. Let's see. How much lavender did I add? Is that 1/5 of an ounce? Direct in the mead, and I left them in for 8 days. Oh my God. The end is nice. The end is like blackberry vanilla. You get the vanilla bean back there. It's just so floral that it makes it unpleasant. Otherwise, there's nothing else like wrong about this mead. There's no off flavors, there's no off smells. There is of course the blackberry, but unfortunately it kind of gets drowned out by the lavender, by the amount of lavender that's here. I mean, it's like undrinkable to me, to be honest, like by itself. This would have to be a mixer. This needs to be a mixed drink because the lavender is just too powerful. This has to get like watered down. It is also a little bit on the syrupy side, which is pretty normal for mead. I don't think this is like very sweet necessarily. It is almost 15%. I like don't want to drink any more of it, to be honest. This mead holds promise. We'll put it that way. This holds promise. I want more blackberry. I want more berry. Obviously less floral. Maybe a little bit lighter. If this were sparkling, it would probably be nicer. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, these flavors sound like they would go together really well, and possibly they could, but I definitely did not execute this one correctly, I would say. As far as balancing of flavors go, oh, it's rough. I can't drink. I don't know how. I gave a bottle of this to Christina and she drank it. I don't know how exactly. Oh, it's a little rough. It's a little rough for me. As usual, I suppose I will put everything in the link, in the description below, all the links, all the videos. If you're curious to see what I did, if you want to make your own twist on this, maybe like blackberry lime vanilla. The lavender. Lavender is, I think, easy to become it's easy to make overpowering. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't know, if you're feeling very brave, let me know. Some people have great success with lavender. I have had some great lavender meads where it's just a nice light floral. I mean, I love like lavender syrup in like lattes, lavender lattes. Oh my God, love it. Oh my God, I love that. Oh, but this not so much. No. Try again. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so sorry it took forever to come out. Please hit like if you like this video. It's like super quick video. There's not a whole lot I can say about this, to be honest. I just can't get too detailed on this. It's hard for me to even like drink it. My stomach is a little like, whoa, what did you put in me? That's a lot. That's heavy. Very heavy mead. I have a website, I have Patreon, I have memberships, I have all of these things. And I have an Instagram. You know, if you have any questions that you don't want to put in the comments, feel free to email me, whatever, I'm around. Thank you so much for watching this. Appreciate you. Mwah! And I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm gonna dump this in the sink. What? What? It's too much. You want to like take a sip of it?
No.
Okay. I'm not gonna make you.